Going live.
Nonsense.
But not here, Sha. Me and you know, why you know get businesses.
No worry now. Me go join you now. They come, may I just package one or two. Okay.
Yes, guys, we're back. Yeah, good morning, everyone, from wherever you're streaming from. It's good to have you guys back on the stream. It's good to have you guys back on the stream. So we're about to kick it off right now. And before we do that, let's just say a quick word of prayer, then we commence the stream and we have it going. Yeah, commence and have it going. So Lord, we thank you for today. We thank you for today giving out to us, Lord, as we begin to stream, guide us and protect us, bless us this week. And any trade we place, direct our step, direct our hands, so we don't trade contrary to your will in the name of Jesus. Okay, guys. Um, my background sound is no longer playing. I don't know what's wrong with it, but that being said, let's just start. I was trying to figure out the whole stuff. Well, let's just start. First of all, you can see that we have no. Okay, you cannot see. Let me explain to you guys. So there's two different kind of news event. There's a red folder. There's a three actually. There's a red folder. There's a orange folder, and there is a um yellow folder um events. So this means that the yellow folder means it's not a major news. It's not even that serious. It might literally not even do anything in the market. Then the orange folder means that price will likely react to the market. Then we have the red folder, which is the one that we are always cautious about, which means that price will actually legitimately react to the market. So that what it means. I just quickly break down the three um news events you usually have. So now you can see that there's a new event now that is about to literally start. So that being said, let's go over to the charts and let's start from there. So we have GJ here. I won't be looking at GJ. I'll be looking at gold first. So let's break gold and let's see what gold is telling us, so we can know how we can um work our way around it. So first thing, I remove everything on the charts. I'm going to clear off every single thing on the chart. Then I'm going to go to my daily time frame. And if you were on yesterday's stream, you know that I mentioned about a resistance level on the daily yesterday. There was a level that was mentioned on the there was a level that was mentioned yesterday. A resistance level that was mentioned yesterday, which was this spot here. So I talked about this level here. I talked about this level of resistance that I wanted price to only see how price will react of this level, and that would make me either enter the trade or not. So that was what I made mention of yesterday. That this is a level that price will likely get to and reject off of. You get me? And I think that's what price did. Price is rejecting off that level. So let's go back to the daily time frame and let's walk away from the daily time frame and let's see what price is selling us on the daily. So on the daily time frame, like I said before, this is a strong level of support that price has rejected off multiple times. You can see that a lot of rejection of this area. And if I go to my 4 hour time frame, you can also see that on the 4 hour, price is still holding that strong level and it's currently pushing upwards. You can see that the previous 4 hour candle ended um bearish, strong bearish, but failed to break below this exact daily low. You can see it failed, it got close, but there was no momentum to break the low. And you can see that on the 4 hours too, we also have 4 hour resistance around this level, which price is trying to, I don't know, probably trying to break above it, you know, very soon. So we don't know if this is okay. This is okay. This is looking good. So now we don't know if this is the whole entire low, Asian low that price wants to create for the day before giving us a bias of where it actually wants to move to. We don't know that yet. We have not established that part yet. So we're just here to wait. And it all ends in 12 minutes. So we're going to know very soon in the next 12 minutes on how this price is going to react and all. So going to the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, I can see that price has broken. It's currently trying to push up and it has a level of resistance here. This is the resistance that price created. I know you guys will talk about the whole. No, I'm supposed to. Yeah, this is the level of resistance that price created. And if price should break above this resistance, you can likely see some kind of push. It should be a volume push from this level to the upside. So this is a 40 pip move. So you let's see if you can get a strong bullish close above this level. Um Something like this. Strong bullish close above this level like this. Then you can anticipate price retesting the level and you can buy as a flip for price to probably continue pushing up. And that will also be the 1 hour breaking above the previous um, hourly high. So you can see I'm just anticipating volume to drive price to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at on this pair. That's what I'm anticipating. So that being said, I was looking at this trade earlier from this level, but I noticed that there was a pattern here for those people that trade fair value gap and the rest. I noticed that this was the pattern. This is something that they are most likely looking to enter trade for. And actually, overall, it did like a breaker intense also. So this price breaking above structure, coming back, testing, leaving a pin bar. Then at the break, this 5 minutes breaking the previous 5 minutes high should be your um entry. But if you have waited, also if you didn't catch this 5 minutes, you just see enter off this one. So this is basically the structure I saw on gold, but that's not my analysis. That's not what I usually wait for on gold. So what I do now, trade. Last 10 more minutes to the end of the hourly hourly candle. So let's just wait and see how price reacts off my levels. Now that being said, let's look at the 30 minutes again. Let's observe what's going on. Yeah, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, that's good. So this will also be if the price close above, this will also be the close of the 1 hour candle. So it's also going to be a good level for me to buy if price close above that level. But we have to wait. Um we have 9 more minutes, so let's wait. So that being said, so I'm looking for buyers above this level. Now let's go over to GJ and let's see what GJ is doing. So we can work our way through on GJ. So GJ will go over to the daily time frame and we remove everything we have on the charts. 1 second, guys. Give me a second, guys. Okay, guys. This is GJ daily time frame. So let's break it down a bit. Let's start breaking GJ in second here. So looking at GJ, um, you can see price respected the whole analysis I mentioned yesterday. If you guys just go back to yesterday analysis, you see what I was talking about. That first of all, it all look like not even yesterday, from last week, I've always mentioned that this is a level that price will most likely reject from, and that's exactly what price is. Price is rejected of this level. And the moment price close above this level here, this would indicate that price will likely push. Now, yesterday, price was already testing this level. I was like, okay, price will likely feel bullish and push up, and that's exactly what price did. So, and by looking for price to retest this highs, yeah, price will likely come back up to retest this highs. This is what I was anticipating on GJ, and this would likely, it's looking like it's going to happen. So let's just wait and let's see. Let's see. No, now let's go over to the 4 hour time frame and let's see what the 4 hours telling us on GJ. So on GJ, price has created a 4 hours high. So let's mark our high. This is our 4 hours 4 hours high that price has created. We also have a level where price broke above, which is this level. This was the level of resistance that price has broke above. So if price is coming back down here, which means that that is our new level of support that price will likely come to retest. Now, if I scale down to my if I scale down to my 1 hour time frame, I can see that price hasn't done anything significant on a 1 hour. But me zooming out, I can see that price is testing this area, but I don't know if this is the area price will look to start pushing back up from. But we have to just wait and see if price creates a support from here. So let's just mark this as a level here. So price might likely create a support on this level. So if price creates a support, and looking like an engulfing candle, we might find a way to squeeze ourselves in. So let's go over to the 30 minutes and let's see what the 30 minutes is doing. So the 30 minutes, you can see price is actually rejecting of this level. So this level is actually holding and it's actually legitimately holding. You can see how it's holding, it's struggling. And if I go to my 15 minutes as well, you can see that the level two is struggling, but I cannot trade off this range because there's a lot of rejection everywhere. So this is basically out of it. So sales will be good when price break below the structure. But for buys, I will just, even though I know that the structure is good and price will likely push up, I cannot afford to jump into a buy because of the way the whole market structure is looking right now. So I will just let it go, and probably I'll just trade off the higher time frame. Maybe that will just be the whole entry, maybe of the 1 hour. That will probably what I'll look to do. But looking at the way the whole structure is now, I'm looking to avoid trading it completely. You get me? I'm not looking to avoid it completely, but that seems to be what's the best currently now to avoid it. So let's go over to but if you look if you're actually interested in trading it, I will advise you to um probably you trade off the 1 hour, you wait for this candle to end, wait for a price to pull back a bit, then you buy something like this, something like this, where price will just close the way it is right now. It's a rejection like this. Then wait for the next candle to like pull back. Then when you see the flip, you can actually buy it to go back to the upside. If price has established the fact that this is where it wants to hold the line and this should be his new support level. You understand? So this is where you hold the line. So this is why I also see in gold currently. So you have to just wait and you have to wait for the whole structure to form completely, or you wait for the candle to close. Just wait for the candle to close so you can know how you can place a trade on the trade. So basically that's just it. So you know how you just place a trade. That's the only thing I see currently on um that's what I currently see on GT. So let's go back to gold and let's see what gold is actually telling us, because gold is the trade I'm waiting for. So gold is still struggling and it's failing to break. It's failing to break above. It's failing to close above my level. And we wait. It's not compulsory you get to see every trade, like you place a trade every day. It's not a it's not a do or die affair. So we just wait for setup to play out. Just wait for gold to do whatever he wants to do. Then you know how you want to enter the market. So for now, I just wait for my candles to close. Wait for the next 15 minutes. If I don't get that, wait for the next 15. If I don't get that, then we'll likely call it a day because that's what we do. With that being said, guys, I think that'll be all. And I'll be back. Give me 1 second. I just want to quickly do something. And I'll be back on the chat, guys. Just give me a few minutes. Okay, guys. The uh, 15 minutes count has ended. Basically, the daily count, the hourly count has ended, and we are currently on London section. This is London section, and you can see that we didn't get the closure we need. Pricing break above what else? We just see here. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting. This is what we do. We're waiting for the next 15 minutes. So if you get a drive and price broke above this level, so this would be our next entry. Where we likely look to enter the market. So let's go over to GJ. Let's see how GJ close. So GJ closed very strong actually. So breaking above different highs. So this is like strong engulfing candle. Even in the 30 minutes, we're giving you 30 minutes entry. So on the 30 minutes, you can actually look to place a buy on GJ because there was a minor level of resistance here, and price actually broke above the level here. So you can look to actually buy GJ from this high. But this is I'm not entering in space, guys. There's no entries for me on GJ. But you can look to buy GJ from here. And stop loss is the problem right now. Stop loss is the problem right now. Let's put your stop. But this could be a good opportunity on GJ. It could be a very nice opportunity on GJ. So, well, I'm not trading GJ. I don't trade GJ. I have no business with GJ. But this is what I currently see and what price will likely do on GJ. So, if you're someone that like to trade GJ, I trade GJ as well. But most of the time, DJ mess around. Like he always find a way to either I struggle before he gets to my take profit, or he just find a way to do just find a way to misbehave. Basically, that's it. Misbehave a lot. So that's it. So for now, there's no entries for me, and I'll just stick to waiting for setups on gold, which gold is currently so for 1 hour. This is also a 1 hour entry. Okay, didn't end the way I want. So let's wait. Let us wait. There's no rush. There's no rush. Let us wait. You have 12 more minutes. So let's wait. If price decides to leave us, then that was it was never our it was never our trade to begin with. So let's wait and see how the whole trade play out. Then we know what we want to do. Waiting, guys. Waiting for price to give us any possible setup. So that's it. I'm just waiting. So I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. Just give me some couple of minutes. There's nothing going on in chat, so I'm just waiting. So just give me some couple of minutes. Let me figure out my stuff. Let me figure out everything I need to do. So I'm coming. Come on, guys. There's nothing going on. So once I see something, I'll let you guys know. Then for GG, GG is just there. So let's give me a second, guys. I'll be back. Let's see how the next 15 minutes close. If we don't get anything, we wait again for the next 15. And if we don't get anything, then we'll call it a day. So that's it. currently having a very poor network. Network is extremely poor. Network is extremely poor. But let's see. I'm still waiting, guys. And something to be playing in the background. What's going on? Seems like we're getting the breaker we need, but the problem here is it pushing too much or is it not? So we're getting the breaker we need right now. Price is breaking out of the structure. So don't mind you have the 30 minutes high here. And this is 1 hour breaking all eyes. So let's see. It's a very scary one, but let's see. Let's see. Hopefully, maybe just push out, cover the entire range. But let's see. You're waiting. Just observe. Just wait. We have about 5 minutes left on the candle. So let's see what's going on. About 5 minutes left. So let's see. Let's see how it plays out for the 5 minutes. So these 5 minutes left, if the price goes above like this, you might just see a rejection and our price pushing up. But we don't trade the 5 minutes. We don't look for entry in the 5 minutes. We stick to the 15 and 30 minutes. And sometimes so we're likely look at the 1 hour too. So that's what we stick at. That's our entry time frame. So that's it. So this is GJ. GJ was never an option playing around with us. Let's quickly look like GU. Let's look at GU. GU might be giving something similar. GJ and GU don't move the same way. Alright. This is GU. And okay. So it's rejecting of that level. So let me start bringing out the guns. Let me see. Once it gets to like 2 minutes, I'll start bringing out the guns to see if possible anything is going on. Man, network is bad. Hopefully this stream doesn't end though. But network is really bad. Like network is very, very bad. Like there might be a buffering on the stream or something. Network is bad. But let's see, let's wait. 4 more minutes, 3 more minutes. I'm trying to open my store and it's not opening. Network is bad. So 3 more minutes to wait and see if how the candle close. 3 more minutes to wait and see how the candle close. Then we know what we're going to do. Measure my range from here to here, 25 p.m. 30 minutes, right at the 30 minutes high. Let me play this smart. I need to play this very smart. I need to play this very, very, very smart. So I just wait for the 30 minutes to close. Okay, now use the 30 minutes. Use the 30 minutes resistance. I'm trying to think here. I'm trying to think which one will work best currently here. Trying to figure out where will the volume come in. Trying to think. Okay, it's not ending bad. Well, I think I will not bother placing the trade. It's not ending bad, but it's not ending bad. But I think I'll not bother. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Probably what we'll do best is we paper trade it. But there's no point even paper trading it because it's already there. You understand? It's already there. Five, 4, 3, 2. Like it's already there. There's nothing else I can do here. You get me? It's already there. Unless I'm just okay. Okay, I feel like the momentum is in the chart right now. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to place a buy stop above here. The price will break above, and whatever the low is of this candle, that's going to be my stop loss. So I just expect the volume to play out. I expect the volume to play out. So wherever the low is, that's going to be my stop loss. Yeah. Wherever the low is, that's going to be my stop loss. with volume, price should break above this high and keep pushing upward. So that's why I see that I'm seeing right here. With volume, price should break above and keep pushing upward. Um, let me try to send this out. Okay, so this will also be if price will flip up, it should be also breaking the 4 hours because this is basically the 4 hours, the previous 4 hours high. So if price should flip this candle, I expect volume to break the 4 hours high. And once the previous 4 hours is broken, I expect a push. Like I expect a mad push to the upside. But that being said, I cannot give you that. I can't tell you that this is what price is going to do currently now. So I have to just wait and let's see how it goes. So this should be my um. Let's see, guys. Just wait, lay it out. Let's see. If you don't, what will happen is in the next extra 5 minutes more, in the next 5 minutes, like yeah, 5 minutes from now, if we don't get activated, I'm going to close. I'm going to just delete the. I'm not send out the trade yet, but I'm going to delete the buy stop and wait for the 30 minutes to close so I can know what exactly I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to delete the buy stop. And looking like I'll likely delete the buy stop, but let's wait. Let's just wait for the extra 5 minutes. Because this is the previous 4 hours high. Yeah, this is basically the previous 4 hours high. So if price should break that high, yeah, like I said, anticipate price will likely drive to the upside. So let's wait and see exactly what price is going to do for us. Okay, guys, I'm deleting the buy stop now. I'm waiting for the 30 minutes. So I'm waiting for the 30 minutes. I'm waiting for 30 minutes to close. From 30 minutes, we know exactly what we're going to do. So let me clear up everything and just put it in line so you see. So this is what I'm looking for. Let's wait 7 more minutes, guys. So we'll wait to see how the candle closes. You know what we're going to do. 6 more minutes, guys. 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. I'm surprised I've not done anything for us. So we're just waiting. We're waiting, guys. 6 more minutes. So what I want price to do right now, like looking at the way the candle is, I I I've I've gone back to look at everything. I noticed that we should have given an attempt on the trade around this place. Yeah. But this level was the one that was a problem. This level of resistance, so that's why I didn't bother giving this trade a chance. But looking at the 30 minutes, um, what I want price to do is let's go to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I want this candle on the 15 minutes to end as weak bearish, like this, um, like this. You understand? I want the candle to end weak bearish like this, something like this. This is what I want price to do. So on the 30 minutes, you be like it's above. The next thing I want to do is that once price end that way, in the next hour candle, like the next 30 minutes candle, the break of highs, price breaking above these highs, these are likely to um buy the market. But since that is last 5 minutes, I don't think price is even going to close that. We can see how strong bearish the price is. It's pushing price downwards, and we might likely not get any entries currently. So, regardless of that, there's nothing else we can do but we wait. And sorry, guys, we wait and see how the whole structure closes. Then we know exactly what we'll do. It's, you have to be patient. This is the name of this game is called patience. Patient game. If you're not patient, price will humble you. The way he has done to me several times. So I think that should be all. That should be all. That's basically all. That's all I see. That should be all. That should be all, guys. There's nothing else to see in the market. Nothing else to do in the market but to wait. Okay, guys. That's it. So let's see. We try to have like 3 more minutes to the end of this candle. Uh, let's see. Okay, it's pulling back now. We're getting a bit of pullback. Will it be enough? Will it be enough to close above this 30 minutes? Because this is what I'm looking for buys. So this is the buys here. Buys above. So will it be enough? Let's see if the pullback will be enough. So let's wait. Let's wait. We have 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. I highly doubt I highly doubt we get any opportunity here. So let's look at TJ that I was cutting out the other time. So TJ2 is nothing. There's nothing going on in GJ as well. There's nothing absolutely going on in GJ. Mm, I think price is just doing price. It's doing its own thing. There's a lot of regardless, it's momentum. Price is driving. Price is moving, but it's not just doing what we want. You understand? So someone has entered the trade from here. Already made over 100 people already. You get someone that plays a trade from here has already made over 100 people. So this is someone's move. You get me? For me now, it's as if I'm chasing the person's move. Like someone that plays a trade from this exact point. You can see it's from this 100 people. That's why I'm chasing the person now. But anyways, 1 more minute, 1 minute, 50 seconds. Let's see how the trade is gonna end. So it might be price can do crazy stuff. Price can just above. So let's see. Let's see. So these are if I'm to enter this price is a buy above this level and stop loss is around there. So let's see. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Can we get that push? Can you get this bearish candle closing above? Can we get that bearish candle? You can see it's just like how many pips away? 18 people away. So it's basically like 14 people away. I know good can have good can do some crazy stuff in 1 minute, in less than 1 minute. So can you close above? Let's see. Okay, it's not looking like it wants to. It's not looking like it wants to. It's bit bearish. Bit bearish. I don't think we're gonna get that close. I think we're gonna get that close. So, anyways, guys, since this is it, I'll be calling it. I'll be calling it short right here, and we end the stream. I was anticipating that price will close above that level, so we look for opportunities to buy the markets. But we didn't get what I wanted. Price didn't close above that level, so this is where I'll be calling. Like this is what I'm calling today, and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. There's no pressure, no pressure. It might let us see play out. It might see let us see a setup. I'll see you. If you're not in the group, you can join the Telegram group, which I'm going to drop the link now on drop the link on bio. So I'm going to drop it now so you guys can see. I'm going to be on the chat. So you can just click the link and join. So if I let us see any opportunities, I'll be here to like I'll be on the chat from now to like 9. If I let us see any opportunity, I'll just send it on I'll send it on the group. So now what's going to happen is that I will adjust my resistance level to at this point now. This is going to be my resistance level. So this is what I'm looking for buys now above this level. So that'll be all guys. See you guys tomorrow, same time. Stay blessed and peace.